Hi everyone, it is me, Sammy. Today I'm joined by my amazing husband, Ron.
Hello.
And we hope you're all having an amazing day and happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. Let me say something.
The day that we're uploading this is going to be Valentine's Day, so I hope you're all having an amazing day filled with love and what else?
And more love. Keep it simple.
So in today's video, guys, we are going to be doing a McDonald's mukbang. We've got so much food from McDonald's. This is not just for me and Ron though, we do have our two boys over there, so if you hear them in the background, that is why.
This is what Valentine's Day leads to, by the way. That's another thing. For now, let's just...
So we asked over on Instagram if you guys wanted to see a Q&A while we ate, or if you wanted to see a who knows who better for our Valentine's Day video, and you guys said who knows who better. So we're going to be asking each other's questions while we're eating and just seeing who knows who better out of this relationship. It's a little couples challenge while we're digging into our food. And by the way, we got our food from Uber Eats, guys. McDonald's delivered with Uber Eats. If you guys want a discount code, then you can get £15 off using my referral code in the link.
Is it linked down below?
Yeah, not a link. I'll leave the referral code down below in the description.
I meant to click Sammy's link down below. And the referral. It's
not sponsored and it's not an affiliate link, but if you save £15 off your first order, then we get a £15 off discount coupon. So
help each other.
Means we can do more videos like this, guys.
Exactly.
So yeah, I'll leave the referral link down below if you want to save £15 off your first order with Uber Eats. And without further ado, let's dive in to this mukbang. Right, first off, let's show you guys what we ordered. Let's start with this bag. I don't know what's in what.
I feel like a monster.
We ordered so much, right? I'll do mine. Did you get the rubbish? Oh, he got the drinks and that bag. You can open this bag.
I got the poons.
What have you got? Right, so we've got triple cookie. Triple chocolate cookie, I should say. Millionaire's donut. 3 sugar donuts. Some sauces and dips. A raspberry McFlurry. Raspberry flake McFlurry is probably my favourite McFlurry. I thought the Matchmaker one was going to be at Christmas.
No.
But no, this one has to be my favourite.
Like
I've always liked it since we were working in McDonald's.
Yeah.
Someone used to bring me them home. Thank you. And that's our drinks. We've got Cokes for drinks as well.
Yeah.
And let's start with food. So we've got 5 chicken. Oh, we've got 5 chicken selects. The new sweet and sticky barbecue chicken burger. We've got a Grand Big Mac, one of my favourite burgers. Oh, if I can get it out of the bag.
Is it
got
that
a Grand Big Mac. Pretty grand. A burger bun, which came off my Grand Big Mac. And a 20 nugget share box. Oh my gosh, there's so much food already. Got a veggie deluxe burger. We got the new Veggie Dippers, which I'm so... Oh, they smell so good. Smell them.
Oh.
No, wait. New Veggie Dippers, some mayo chicken, double cheeseburger,
hamburger,
plain hamburger for Tyler, hamburger, mozzarella dippers share box,
where's your selects?
Hamburger selects are there. Hamburger.
First things first.
Chips. Where's the chips?
Chips are here.
Okay, cool.
Did you get everything we ordered?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Missing anything?
Not that I can think of.
Come on, let's start.
I'm enjoying this so much. I want to eat the Veggie Dippers first. I've been dying to see what they taste like.
Veggie Dippers, yeah?
Yep, Veggie Dippers.
Let me try. Ooh.
Ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy Valentine's Day.
What do you reckon?
I think they smell better than they taste.
Absolutely right.
Isn't it? They smell so good. They don't taste as... They're not bad.
No.
They're alright.
I think the old veggie patty tasted better than this.
I agree with that.
Because it had chickpeas in that. I don't know what this has.
Sweet corn. Mostly it tastes like. Not bad, but smells way better than it tastes.
Smells amazing, like literally.
So we're going to do like who knows who better. We're just going to ask like one question from this list.
Yeah.
We both have to answer it for each other.
Yeah.
So the first one is, what was my favourite subject in school?
English. Oh, mathematics.
No.
History.
No.
PE.
No.
Science.
No. I've got three favourites.
Film studies.
No.
Oh, in school.
Three favourites would be sort of like drama, music and food tech.
Drama?
You're so bad at it.
Sure.
Right.
You're full of drama.
I like to perform.
Yeah, fair enough.
Right. What's your favourite subject at school? I don't even know what lessons you had. That's the hard thing.
Simple, Sammy. What do I watch? What do I like?
History.
Yes. But I have to give you a clue.
I know you better. Finished, done, test is over. Alright. What was your least favourite subject in school? Was yours English? Yeah. Was it?
No.
Oh. Thought I knew.
Do you know what? I don't have. I actually liked all the subjects in my school.
That's a trick question for me then.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, what was my least favourite?
Your least favourite must have been
Like one that I hated.
PE.
No, love that.
English.
No.
Sociology.
No.
Science.
Hated it. Absolutely hated it.
Why? What's wrong with science?
Nothing's wrong with it. I don't know. I just did not enjoy it at all. Apart from when we got the Bunsen burners out, or when we used to take off the lids off the Pritt sticks, like unscrew them and then launch them at the
Hey baby, have a bite.
I knew that was gonna happen.
Have a bite, baby.
Have I ever performed on stage? You have,
Oh, plenty of times.
because you're a rock star. Like legit, like he used to be in a band, so he's performed.
I'm still in a band.
Still in a band, sorry.
A new band.
But he's performed guitaring on many stages. Have I ever performed on stage?
With the little recorder, yes.
That was in my little...
Did I get it right?
Yeah, but there's been so many like school productions and all sorts that I've been in, dancing and everything that I've been in as well, performing on stage.
Okay.
All of these kind of ones, like we both gonna know about each other, like what's my middle name?
Good, let's do it anyway. Okay, fine. Yeah, let's.
Yeah, things like that. Like we know, like we've been married nearly 8 years, together for 10. Like we've been together for so long. It's crazy.
I'm sorry. I'm just enjoying myself. Bless you. You just reading the questions. You're not reading anything.
I'll start eating in a second. If I could get on a plane to anywhere in the world, where would I go? That's a good question and a hard one to ask you actually.
Can I give 2 answers?
What, for me?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
New Zealand.
No, that's not really on my...
India.
Yeah.
I knew it was India or New Zealand for some reason.
Steve's thought, like my brother wants to go New Zealand.
No, I want to go New Zealand too.
5 chicken selects. The 5 chicken select box full of mozzarella dippers. I'm so, like, you know when you just can't be bothered to phone them? Like, honestly, I can't be bothered by love because it's just going to be effort. What are they going to, they're not going to send them to me now. Do you know what I mean? Like, they're not going to give them to us now.
Okay.
Hamburger next.
That's
disappointing.
disappointing.
On any of the burgers.
That is disappointing.
That's like, yeah, I'm really upset.
That is bloody disappointing.
What's this? Hamburgers are my favourite thing at McDonald's. Hands down.
Nice and simple.
So if you could get on a plane and go anywhere in the world, you'd go to America.
Yes. Absolutely.
I know you better so far. What's my favourite ice cream flavour?
Vanilla, Cornish, strawberry, chocolate, bubblegum, blueberry.
Do you even know me?
Sammy, you hardly eat ice cream.
Mint choc chip. You should know that.
You said flavour.
Yeah. Mint choc chip is a flavour.
I knew it. I was just testing if you knew it.
Alright, let me have a guess and see what your one's going to be.
Oh, mine's keep changing. Yeah.
I want to have 2 guesses.
Okay.
Because he does keep changing his mind a lot. It's either going to be, maybe, Ben & Jerry's chocolate fudge brownie, or rum and raisin ice cream without the raisins. One of those.
You got the Ben & Jerry's bit right.
Yeah.
But Ben & Jerry's cookie dough is my favourite.
Really? You always pick brownie.
No, I don't.
You do.
This is what I tried telling you the other day. I like them like cookie bits. I think you know me. 8 years wasted.
You guessed bubblegum ice cream for me. Don't bloody
I told you I was testing you.
What is my favourite thing to eat for breakfast?
Yogurt. Oh, a fry up. A McDonald's breakfast.
Thank you. Yours has to be a fry up.
Yeah.
My favourite
Or
is McDonald's breakfast.
South Indian breakfasts.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the...
Between those two. Depends where we are in the world.
Yeah, true.
If we're here, a fry up. In India, you've got to have your doses and your chutneys. What's my favourite thing to drink?
Coke.
Yeah. What's your favourite thing to drink? Anything alcoholic?
Well, they keep, anything, yeah, that's true. But it keeps changing. Like,
right, what do you want me to answer?
Hamburger.
Pickle? Match made in heaven. You don't really like anything that's like...
I'm just like eating, Sammy, you're talking. It's fine.
You keep talking to the camera while I finish all the food.
Okay.
I'd say maybe for alcoholic drinks, like, I want to say port. Because it's the only drink that you'll save if you think you're running out. At the moment, I feel like support is like his nice drink. Regular drink is like a shandy.
Do you know what? Shandy is like just a recent thing, it's gonna pass. But if I were to ask you, what's like my favourite whiskey? Yeah, like, but which one?
Jameson's.
Yeah, correct.
Like, if I were to ask you, what do I prefer, Coke or Pepsi?
Coke.
Yeah. But then saying that with KFC, it has to be Pepsi. If we're eating KFC.
Yeah, because you don't get Coke in KFC.
No, but like, it wouldn't taste the same.
Yeah, because you're used to it.
Can't answer for everything. Do I like spicy food? It's a stupid question.
Everybody likes spicy food.
Oh, here's one. What's my favourite pudding?
Your favourite pudding is?
Yours has to be either gooey brownie and ice cream or gooey cookie dough and ice cream. Or gulab jam. Depends on where we are in the world.
There's like
always
two
like
sides.
an Indian edition and an English edition.
No, like my favourite is like the cookie dough and ice cream, definitely.
What's the...
Was it a bit chocolate?
I'm not that big a fan of chocolate.
Not from
like,
what I
white
see
chocolate.
every day. I'm not a big fan of chocolate.
Not like, I don't eat bars and bars of chocolate.
Yeah, you eat
Like
boxes and boxes of chocolate.
I eat sweets more than chocolate.
Okay.
But like, no, Like, that's not my favourite dessert. What's my favourite dessert?
I think,
I had 6.
ice cream.
No. Don't try and help him, Tyler, because he's not good. You don't know either.
Cake.
No.
Tyler, shut up and watch a movie, mate. You're worse than me.
I ate 6 of them at Steve's wedding.
I know it.
Chocolate brownies.
No! You had chocolate brownies, Tyler, at Steve's wedding.
Chicken nuggets.
Why are you taking their advice?
Liam, thank you very much for your advice. I shall save it for later, okay? Cheers, bud. What's your favourite pudding with it? Ice cream.
No. I ate yours at Steve's wedding.
Oh, eat a mess.
Yes! It has to be anything with meringue, so like an Eton mess or a pavlova, anything like that, hands down, is my favourite pudding ever. I love it. Grand Big Mac. Oh, this is the best. I love how they've kept this in proportion.
What
Like
do you
they've
mean?
they've made it bigger, but they've kept the patties the same width, the bread the same width, so it's still the same proportion as a Big Mac when you're eating it. Like if they made this with quarter pounders, it would be weird.
Yeah, true.
Do you know what I mean?
I get
Or
what
like
you
a
mean.
big tasty burger. Who has the bigger appetite, me or you? Silly question. Who's the pickier eater, you or me? Me, 100%.
200%. Oh, 200%.
What are my favourite pizza toppings?
Pepperoni.
Yeah, literally just pepperoni on its own.
What's mine? I keep changing.
Right, it has to be barbecue base. It can't be tomato. And like, if you were to make your own pizza, it would have to be the meats and like green chilies and stuff as well to make it spicy.
Yeah, I'll give you that.
I think that's what it is. It has to have spice to it, and it has to have meat to it,
Oh, nice
and
bit.
it has to have a barbecue base.
Pulled pork, remember?
That was good. See, there's such easy ones, like do you prefer tea or coffee?
Easy. Tea?
Yeah, because I don't like coffee.
Uh,
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
What do you think?
Coffee.
But then, do you know it's a different story?
You
You go
used to be
India,
Yeah, and then it's tea.
it's different. The tea in India is like...
You're like one person in England and one person in India. Oh, this one's like questions about our relationship. Do you remember our relationship?
Yeah, of course.
When did we kiss for the first time in public?
In public?
That was our first kiss. It was in public. People were around. It wasn't like a show, but... Is that a funny question?
Yeah.
Is it?
Man, Christmas party?
Do you remember the date?
No. What date?
I don't know.
We're useless. Eat your food and go to bed.
The 6th of December, 2010.
Time?
That's a long
About 9 o'clock.
time ago.
Second?
When I did with you.
Why do you act like I'm a weirdo for remembering that date?
I don't. It's just so sweet of you. I was just wondering if you remembered the second.
Last question. Have I ever been awake for 24 hours straight?
Yeah, you're weird. You more stuff.
Yeah, I have.
I know.
Have you ever?
Yeah, plenty of
Yeah,
times.
probably. So that's it, guys. That is our Who Knows Who Better challenge finished. Who do you think won? Who do you think knows who better? Does Ron know me better?
Of course.
Or do I know him better? Of course.
The winner's obvious.
So sound off in the comments, guys. Let us know what you thought and see who knows who better. Do you guys want to see more videos like this from us where we like talk, sit, eat, chill, ask any questions that you have? If you did like this video, guys, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe down below. And also, if you want to get that £15 off Uber Eats, don't forget to use the referral code in the description. And yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. We hope you liked it. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
And hopefully we will see you in our next video. Take care. Bye.
Ta-da!